Hello everyone. So today we are going to give demo for school management software. So without wasting time, I'm going to start with the demo. So first, uh, let's see how many logins are there. So I will type the types of login. So first is admin. Second will be staff login. So in staff we have teachers login. We have librarian login. Then we have receptionist login. We have accountant login. After that we have two users login. One is for students and other is for parents. So I will start with the admin login. I have put our software in one of the domain, so let's log in into that. So for admin, login will be site/login. So I have saved the password. Let's log in. Here's the first look of our software. So it is a dashboard. No data is fed yet, so I will start with the feeding of data. First we will start with front office. Okay, so in front office, first we have to set up the front office. So when you click on setup front office, a window will get open. So from here you can add your purposes, add your complaint types, sources and references. So you just have to label your purpose name here. Like we have two type of purposes. One is for admission inquiry, one is for events. Create any purpose like the purpose. Just save it. If you want to delete anything, just click on that delete button. If you want to edit the previous titles, just click on this edit button. So other than that, we have complaint type. You can follow the same process. For sources you can follow the same process, and also for the references you can follow the same process. Now we are going into admission inquiry, like how to add an inquiry or how to search the previous inquiry. So in this window we have all these previous inquiries. Suppose we want to create a new inquiry, then just put the name demo inquiry. Number is a mandatory field. Email is not mandatory, but if you have any email ID for that person, just mention it. Address, description, note. These fields are not mandatory, so you can left these fields. Suppose if this inquiry is for current date, then the date is automatically selected. If it is from any previous date, then you can select the previous date also. What was the follow-up date? Currently we have two staffs two staffs in our software. One is super admin and the other is admin. So let's assign this to admin. Just select the reference source. Currently we do not have any class. If we have some classes built, then it will get displayed here. This demo inquiry person have two childs. Just put that number and save it. Once you save, it will get displayed here. Suppose after a few days you want to put some status for that inquiry. Suppose this trial you have lost this inquiry, that a student have taken admission somewhere else, then just click on status and select the status as per your choice. Suppose we have lost this inquiry, just select loss. It will automatically update this record and click on close. So we have lost that inquiry, so it will get deleted from here. Suppose this demo inquiry we have some next follow update, this person has not decided anything yet, so just put the next follow update from here. Whatever response you get from them, put that thing in response part. Suppose not decided yet, any note, and just save it. So one timeline will get created, and you can create your timeline according to the conversations from here. We have another inquiry, that is trial 2. Suppose you have won that inquiry, the person get convinced and he is going to take admission, then again go to that part, click on status and just select 1. The status will get automatically updated, and when we close this field, that person is automatically goes into the admission part, this, because we have won that inquiry. So this section is for admission inquiry. Now we have some more sections here in the front office. One is for visitor book. So in visitor book section, whatever visitor purposes, you can just select for the purpose, put the name, phone number, ID card and other details. Like I have created one, you can just view that inquiry like this, and if you want to see how to edit it, it will get automatically filled here. If you want to edit something, just edit it and save it like this. Similarly, if you have some incoming calls or outgoing calls, that part will be maintained from here. We have one call from electrician Deepak, so we have maintained that field. If you have any other call from, suppose, a plumber or something, just put down the number, date, description. If you have any follow-up dates for that call, if you have any call duration to mention, minutes, have any note, whatever type of this call, it is an incoming or outgoing call, just save it. All records will display. Now if we have some postal dispatches for some postal receipts, that will be maintained from here. I just click on edit button so that all fields get filled. So like this, you can fill your data, save it, that will be displayed from here. If you want to view, just click on the view button. That's it. If you have any complaints, just go to the complaint part and select whatever complaint type it is, what is the source, complained by a student, and the student name is, suppose, Rakesh, whatever phone number, whatever description. If we have taken action against that, whoever assigned to for that complaint, just put the names here and save. So here I have saved one transport complaint, and it will display it like this. You can click on view. Suppose some action have taken for that complaint, you can just go to edit, whatever action you have taken and save it. So this is the whole front office part that will be managed by mainly by the receptionist. So